In this video, I will show you how to group multiple pictures in Microsoft Word. To start, you need to change the layout options of the pictures. Click on the picture and the layout options button will appear in the top right corner. If this button doesn't show up, go to the picture tools, navigate to the format tab and look for the wrap text option. Select one of the text wrapping options such as top and bottom. Repeat this process for the other image. Once the layout options are set, you can freely position the images. To group them, select one image, hold down the Control key and click on the other image. Then, right-click on one of the selected images, choose Group and click Group again. The pictures are now grouped together and can be moved as a single unit. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you later.